Hello, and welcome to our lesson for today. Can drones fly with airplanes? I'm Dr. Priscilla, and I hope that you will enjoy the lesson. Let's begin. The vocabulary words that we will encounter today are future, time that has not yet come, steady, not changing, consistent, demand, the need for something, electricity, power used in homes and machines. Now, let's take a look at the article. Robots are machines. They can do many tasks. Some robots work in factories. Some robots clean floors. Some robots help in hospitals. Artificial intelligence is making robots smarter. Because of this, some jobs may change. Some jobs may disappear. However, new jobs may also be created. People may need new skills in the future. Learning is very important. Interesting topic, right? Now I want you to repeat after me. AI needs more electricity. What energy source is best in your country? Repeat after me. The future needs energy. Do you think AI uses too much energy? Answer to yourself in your own words. Here are the 3 questions again. Do you think drones can fly safely with airplanes? Answer in your own words. Are drones becoming more popular in your country? For what? The last question is, how do you think drones will be used in the future? I want to say thank you so much for joining me today with the lesson on drones. I want you to continue practicing your English every day. Be sure to subscribe for more lessons. Live classes will start in May. If you would like to be a part of those free classes starting May 1, 2026, be sure to type in the comment section May 1, MAY 1, and I'll see you in all of the free classes. Until then, I'm Dr. Priscilla of Speak Excellent English. Bye for now.